Go.
Everyone please go.
Now's the time to relax your mind. The funky technician is back.
Cross, yep. Excuse me, excuse me. No. Move. Hang up! Hit! Hit!
Sit back and relax.
My team, green!
And let your conscience be free.
Move forward! Go, 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 go! Hit, 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 hit! Right, I've got an idea.
Now's the time
I'm
to
going to
relax
run
your
into the
mind
room with a grenade in my hand and a pistol, and when they shoot me, I'm going to drop it.
and slip into a new world.
Hit, hit, hit! Oh, martyrdom! Woo! Hit!
Technician.
Hit! Hit! Sure. Yeah, it's gonna get my grenade. Hit! 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 Good shot. Mirrors. Green.
Sit back and relax. And let your conscience be free. Slip into a new world. As we show you what's happening.
Hit! Hit! Hit!
Now's the time to relax your mind. The funky technician is back.
Move up on them, James. Grenade. Guys, move. You're gonna die. James.
Ow!
Nice shot. I really hope you're not. Oh, I'm fucking so sorry, man. Oh, it's you! I'm so sorry. Hit! Well done. Nice shot, man. No, you did, yeah. Well done. Fair player.
Following you. Yep.
Following.
Ring. Coming in.
Green!
You pick it straight across the door.
Still one out there, mate.
Pull straight across. Green.
Staircase? The balcony. There's a lot of blood up here.